Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max Online class. In the previous class, you have learned Karon's formula. Today also, I am going to continue chapter 7, mensuration. In the mensuration, I am going to continue Heron's formula. In the previous class, I have given two problems as homework. Have you all completed? Students, take your homework note and check the answers. Exercise 7.1, first problem. Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 10 cm, 24 cm, 26 cm. In the previous class, I have explained area of triangle. What is the area of triangle formula? Area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c square units. Here, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c square units. Here the question, using Heron's formula, find the area of triangle whose sides are 10 cm, 24 cm, 26 cm. Here this A, we can take let A is equal to 10 cm, B is equal to 24 cm, C is equal to 26 cm. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 10 plus 24 plus 26 by 2 is equal to 60 by 2. When we are cancelling, we are getting the answer 30. The value of S is equal to 30. This is the semi-perimeter. Perimeter means A plus B plus C. Semi-perimeter means half of perimeter. That is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 30. By Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c square units. S in place 30, 30 into 30 minus a in place 10, 30 minus 10 into next s in place 30, 30 minus b in place 24, 30 minus 24 next into 30 minus 26. It's equal to 30 into 30 minus 10 is 20, 30 minus 24 6, 30 minus 26 4. It's equal to root of 30. We can write 3 into 10, 3 into 10. Here also you can write 2 into 10, 3 into 10 into 2 into 10. Here you can write 2 into 5 also. If you are writing 2 into 5 means also same answer only will be get. Here 3 into 10. Next this one 2 into 10. This one 2 3s are 6. 4 is equal to 2 square. Here we can compare that pair number, we can take it together. 3 into 3 we can write 3 square. 10 into 10 we can write 10 square. 2 into 2 we can write 2 square. Again this 2 square is equal to square root of 3 square 3. Square root of 10 square 10. Square root of 2 square 2. Square root of 2 square 2. It's equal to 3 into 10. 30. 30 into 2 60. 60 into 2 120. Equal to 120 centimeter square or square centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to 120 centimeter square. Have you all understand this? Next, the sides of the triangular ground are 22 meter, 120 meter and 122 meter. Find the area and cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. We have to find out the area as well as we want to find out the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. The given values, this we can take A, this one A, next this one B, this one C. So A is equal to 22 meter, B is equal to 120 meter, C is equal to 122 meter. S is equal to formula A plus B plus C by 2. It's equal to 22 plus 120 plus 122 by 2. It's equal to 126 by 4 126 264 by 2 is equal to 132. Therefore, area of triangular field is equal to area of a triangular field is equal to formula root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Is equal to s in place 132, a in place 22, b in place 120, c in place 122 we want to substitute. So it's equal to root of 132 into 132 minus 22 into 132 minus 120 into 132 minus 122. It's equal to s value 132. Next a in s minus a 110, s minus b 12, s minus c 10. This 132 when we are factorizing, 2 table we can factorize, so 66. Again 2 table when we are factorizing 33. Again 3 table when we are factorizing 11. So we can write 2 square into 3 into 11. That only we are writing here 2 square into 3 into 11. Next 110 we can write 11 into 10. 110 11 into 10. 12 we can write when we are factorizing 2 table we can factorize 6 2s are 12. Again 2 table we can factorize 3 2s are 6. Again 3 table 1 3 is 3. So 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. 12 in place we can write 2 square into 3. Next into 10 we can write it the same. Here 2 square. Next 3 into 3 we can write 3 square. 11 into 11 we can write 11 square. 10 into 10 we can write 10 square. Again this 2 square. So every square is square root of 2 square is 2. Square root of 3 square is 3. Square root of 11 square is 11. Square root of 10 square is 10. Square root of 2 square is equal to 2. Is equal to 2 into 3 into 11 into 10 into 20 is equal to 1320 meters square. This is the area of triangular field. Area of triangular field is equal to 132 1320 meters square. Next we have to find out cost of leveling. Total cost of leveling we have to find out. What is given? Cost of leveling the ground per meter square. For 1 meter square rupees 20. Cost of leveling per meter square is equal to rupees 20. We want to find a total cost of leveling is equal to 1300. Total area into cost. Total area into cost of leveling per meter square is equal to 1320 into 20 is equal to 26,400 is the answer. Here cost. So we want to write rupees. Don't write centimeter square or meter square. Here the cost. So we have to write it in rupees. Have you all understand this? Okay. Now I am going to explain. Exercise 7.1 first problem. Second one. Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 1.8 meter, 8 meter, 8.2 meter. Here first what we have to do? We can write A is equal to 1.8 meter. B is equal to 8 meter. C is equal to 8.2 meter. S is equal to formula A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 1.8 plus 8 plus 8.2 by 2 is equal to, we can write 1.8, 8.0, 8 in place we can write, don't write the 8 here, 8.0 like that only we have to write, 8.2. When we are adding 8 plus 2, 10, here 1 balance, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. We are getting 18. S is equal to 18 by 2. S is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. S is equal to 9. S is equal to 9. Next, by Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to formula root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S in place 9. S is equal to 9. 9 into s minus a is equal to a in place 1.8. 9 minus 1.8 into next 9 minus 8 into 9 minus 8.2. S in place 9, A in place 1.8, B in place 8, C in place 8.2. So we can get what we can get it here? Root of 9 into 9 minus 1.8. How can we subtract? 9.0, 1.8. Like that only we have to subtract. Here 8 will be get here 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Next 8 minus 1, 7. So 7.2. Here 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8.2, 9. 8.2 when we are subtracting. 0.8. Clear this? 9 into 7.2 into 1 into 0.8. It's equal to root of 9 in place we can write 3 square. Otherwise, first decimal number. This number 9 we can write 9 itself. 7.2 we can write 72 by 10. Is it correct? 72 by 10? Yeah. 1 into 0.8 we can write 8 by 10. 0.8 we can write 8 into 8 by 10. Is equal to root of 9 into 72 when we are factorizing 9 in place 3 square. We can write 9 in place 3 square. Here 9 we can write 3 square. 9 in place we can write 3 square. 72 when we are factorizing, what we are getting? 72 when we are factorizing. Yeah, 2 table we can factorize. 3 2s are 6, 1 balance 6 2s are 12. Again we can factorize with 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 16, 8 2s are 16. Again 2 table we can factorize 9. Again 3 3s are 9. 3 1. So this we can write 2 square into 3 square into 2. 2 square into 3 square into 2. 72. Next 1 in place 1 itself we can write. 1 in place 1 itself we can write. Next 8. 8 we can write. How we can write it? 8. 2 table 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table 1 2 is 2. So we can write 2 square into 2. Divided by here 10 into 10. We can write 10 square. 10 into 10 we can write 10 square divided by 10 square. Here 10 square like that when we are writing afterwards. What can we do? This 2 having a pair number. This 2 pair number. So we can compare. So what we are getting? 3 square into 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 2 square by 10 square. So the square root of 3 square is equal to 3. Square root of 2 square is equal to 2. Square root of 3 square is equal to 3. Square root of 2 square is equal to 2. Square root of 2 square is equal to 2 by 10. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 2, 36. 36 into 2, 72. 72 by 10 is equal to, what's the answer? 72 by 10? 7.2 centimeter. What's the answer? 7.2 centimeter. 7.2 meter square. Area of triangle is equal to 7.2 meter square. Have you all understand this? First, what we want to do? Find out the S. S is equal to 9. Next, the area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Is equal to root of 9 into 9 minus 1.8 into 9 minus 8 into 9 minus 8.2. Is equal to 9 into 7.2 into 1 into 9 minus 8.2, 0.8. This 9 itself write, 7.2, 72 by 10, 1 itself we can write, 0.8 we can write, 8 by 10. Next 9 we can write 3 square, 9 we can write 3 square. This 72 we can write 2 square into 3 square into 2. Next 1 itself we can write. This 8 we can write 2 square into 2. This divided by 10 into 10 we can write 10 square. So we are getting root of 3 square into 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 2 by 10 square. Everything per number. So square root of 3 square, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 by 10 is equal to 72 by 10 is equal to 7.2 meter square. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to 7.2 meter square. Now, I am going to explain exercise 7.1 third problem. The perimeter of equilateral plot is 600 meter. The perimeter of a equilateral plot is 600 meter. If the sides are in the ratio 5 is to 12 is to 3, then find the area of the plot. The perimeter of a triangular, not equilateral, triangular plot is 600 meter. If the sides are the ratio 5 is to 12 is to 13, then find the area of the plot. First, we have to take, first I am taking, let A is equal to the sides in the ratio 5 is to 12 is to 13 like that given. So I am taking let A is equal to 5x. Side 5 into some number 5x. B is equal to 12x. Next C is equal to 13x. Otherwise 5k like that also we can take. A is equal to 5k. B is equal to 12k. And C is equal to 13k like that we can take it. Next, what is given? Perimeter is given. The perimeter of a triangle formula, perimeter means A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is equal to 600. A plus B plus C is equal to 600. A in place we can substitute 5x plus B in place we can substitute 12x plus C in place we can substitute 13x is equal to 600. Next 5x plus 12x 17x plus 13x 30x is equal to 600. 30x is equal to 600. Therefore x is equal to 600 by 30. X in place we are getting 20. Therefore, what is A? Therefore, A is equal to 5 into 20 is equal to 500. Next, 100 meter. B is equal to 12 into 20. 12 into 20 is equal to 240 meter. C is equal to 13x. 13 into 20 is equal to 260 meter. This is A plus B. A is equal to 100 meter. B is equal to 240 meter. C is equal to 260 meter. We have to find out the area. Area is equal to formula. Yeah, S into root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. For that, we want to find out first. Yes, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C in place we can substitute 600. Otherwise, this 2, 3 also when we are adding, we will be get 600. So, 600 by 2 is equal to 300 meter. S is equal to 300 meter. Then we want to find out the area. Area is equal to formula root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Area of triangle is equal to area of a triangular plot is equal to formula root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is equal to, what is S? 300. S minus A in place, what is A? A is equal to 300. 300 into S minus A means 300 minus 100. A in place 100. Next, S minus B means 300 minus 240. Next, this one S minus C means 300 minus 260. Root of 300 into 300 minus 200 is 200. Next, 300 minus 240 is 60. Next, 300 minus 260 is 40. Here, easily we can do. Here 300, 3 into 100, like that we can write. Here also we can write 2 into 100. Is it correct? 3 into 100. This one 2 into 100. Next, this 60 we can write. How can we write? 2 into 3 into 10. 2 into 3 into 10. Is it correct? 2 into 3 into 10 only 60. When we are factorizing. So, 3. 2 into 3 into 10. Next, 40 we can write. 4 into 10, that is 2 square. 4 is 2 square into 10. Is equal to, when we are pairing the square number, what we will be get it? 3 into 3, we can write 3 square. 100 into 100, we can write 100 square. 2 into 2, we can write 2 square. 10 into 10, we can write 10 square. So, what we are getting? 3 square into 100 square into 2 square into 2 square into 10 square. So, equal to root of 3 square is 3. Root of 100 square is 100. Root of 2 square is 2. Root of 2 square is 2. Root of 10 square is 10. It's equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 into 1000. 100 into 10 is 1000. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 into 100 into 10, 1000. 12 into 1000. 12 into 1000, 12,000. 12,000 meter square. Meter square or centimeter square? Meter square. It is given in meters. So we want to write meter square is the answer, or square meter. Clear? Is it clear? Next, fourth question. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. Area of a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Every sides we can write A. Okay, perimeter given. I am writing, let A be the sides of a. We want to find out the area. I am taking, let A be the side of equilateral triangle. What is given? Perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter. Perimeter for formula A plus A plus A. A plus A plus A means 3A. A plus A plus A is equal to 180. That is 3A is equal to 180. A is equal to 180 by 3. 180 by 3. So 3 table when we are cancelling, 1 3 is 3. 6 3 is 18, 0, 60 centimeter. A is equal to 60 centimeter. A is equal to 60 centimeter. We got A value. Okay. So area of equilateral triangle formula. Is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. In the previous class I have explained. You can use that formula also, Garon's formula also. A in place also 60 you have to use. B in place also 60. C in place also 60. S is equal to 180 by 2. Like that you can use that formula also. If you are using that formula also, same answer only will be get. It is easy for doing. So I am selecting this formula. So root 3 value is what? 1.732. What's the value of root 3? 1.732. Root 3 is equal to 1.732 by 4 into A square is 60. Can we cancel this? Yes, we can cancel by 4 table. 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 balance, 5 4s are 20. When we are multiplying, 5 2s are 10, 1 balance, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 1 balance, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1 36, 3 balance, 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 8. 1 with when we are multiplying with 1, here no value, no digit will become 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3, 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1. How many digits before we have to put the decimal point? 3 digits before. So it's equal to 25.98 centimeter or meter. The question is given in centimeter. So we want to write the answer also in centimeter square. So the area means we have to write centimeter square. Okay, square units you have to write it. So it's equal to 25.98 centimeter square. Have you all understand this? Okay, area of equilateral triangle you can use root 3 by 4 A square. Otherwise root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus see that formula also you can use. Have you all understand this? Can you able to do this problem? Okay. Students, please study all the formula. Area of equilateral triangle formula root 3 by 4 a square. Area of Heron's formula, what's the formula? Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S in place, s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Next, if it is right angle triangle means what's the formula? Area of triangle is equal to half into b into height, half into base into height. All the formula, please study all the formula. Okay, next class I will continue this. Thank you, students.